You know what's scary? Right now, as you're watching this video, someone somewhere is trying to break into an account just like yours. And here's the thing that keeps security experts up at night: your password probably won't stop them. I'm not trying to freak you out here, but we need to talk about something important. The way we've been protecting our digital lives for the past 20 years? It's not cutting it anymore. Think about this for a second. You've got a strong password. Maybe you even mixed in some numbers, threw in a special character, made it 12 characters long. You did everything right, didn't you? Well, here's what I learned that changed everything for me. Modern hackers aren't sitting there guessing passwords like they're playing a game show. They're way more sophisticated than that, and they're using techniques that make your password almost irrelevant. Today, I want to show you exactly how these attacks actually work, and more importantly, what you can do right now to actually protect yourself. Let me break down what's really happening out there. First up, credential stuffing. This is huge right now. Here's how it works. Remember that website that got breached 3 years ago? The one where you used the same password you use for 5 other sites? Hackers bought those leaked credentials on the dark web for basically nothing. Then they use automated tools to try those username and password combinations across thousands of different websites. It's like having a master key, except they're testing it on every door in the neighborhood at once. And because most people reuse passwords, it works way more often than you'd think. Then there's something called session hijacking. This one's sneaky. You log into your account at a coffee shop using their Wi-Fi. Everything seems fine. But a hacker on that same network just grabbed your session token. That's basically a temporary key that proves you're logged in. Now they can impersonate you without ever needing your password. And don't even get me started on social engineering. This is where hackers manipulate you into giving up information yourself. They'll call pretending to be from tech support, send emails that look exactly like they're from your bank, or create fake login pages that are nearly impossible to distinguish from the real thing. The average person can't spot these anymore because they've gotten that good. So why isn't your password enough? The truth is, passwords were designed for a different era. We're talking about security measures from the 1960s trying to protect 2025 technology. It's like using a padlock to secure a spacecraft. Computers today can test billions of password combinations per second. Even if your password is strong, if it gets leaked in a data breach, you're done. And data breaches? They're not rare anymore. They're constant. According to recent statistics, there are over 15 billion stolen credentials circulating on cybercrime forums right now. 15 billion. That's more than 2 passwords for every person on Earth. Your password isn't a question of if it'll get compromised. It's when. Alright, enough doom and gloom. Let's talk solutions, because there absolutely are ways to protect yourself. Number 1, and I cannot stress this enough, enable two-factor authentication everywhere. I mean everywhere. Your email, your bank, your social media, your shopping accounts. All of it. Two-factor authentication means that even if someone obtains your password, they still need a second piece of evidence to confirm it's really you. Usually that's a code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app. Is it slightly inconvenient? Sure. Does it stop the vast majority of account takeovers? Absolutely. Next, use a password manager. I know. It doesn't sound very easy. But hear me out. A password manager generates unique, complex passwords for every single site you use, and remembers them for you. You only need to remember one master password. This means when one website gets breached, only that account is at risk. The damage doesn't spread. I've been using one for 3 years now, and I genuinely don't know how I lived without it. Third, be paranoid about phishing. And I mean that in the healthiest way possible. Before you click any link in an email, hover over it. Check where it's actually taking you. Does the URL look weird? Does the email address seem off by one letter? That's a red flag. When in doubt, don't click the link. Instead, go directly to the website by typing the address yourself. Here's another one that people overlook: keep your software updated. Those annoying update notifications? They're patching security vulnerabilities that hackers actively exploit. Ignoring them is like leaving your front door unlocked because closing it is inconvenient. And finally, consider using a hardware security key for your most important accounts. These are physical devices that plug into your computer or phone. Without that physical key, nobody's getting in. Period. They're not expensive, and for accounts like your email or banking, they're worth every penny. Look, I get it. Security can feel overwhelming. There's always some new threat, some new thing to worry about. But here's what I want you to take away from this: you don't have to be a cybersecurity expert to protect yourself. You just need to be smarter than the average target. Hackers go after easy targets. They're looking for the path of least resistance.